YouTube, what is really good? This is your boy Shaka252 bringing you another video. This video is pretty much just me stating that I kind of reached my breaking point with a particular thing. Just to set it off, everybody that knows me and knows that I work on music, like that's just my thing. That's just what it is. Back in the day, I couldn't even give away a beat. You know what I'm saying? Like, I used to show up to people's houses with a hard drive with thousands of beats on it, and they wouldn't even use one. You know what I mean? And it's just like, I came from that to finally get into a point where, well, even then, it was only certain people that had a feel for my sound that I had, because my sound was so different, because I wasn't like the traditional producers that were there, that were out there making beats, and I had my own lane. You know what I'm saying? I was a dude that listened to I used to listen to I would play Master P or No Limit. I bumped No Limit, and I would turn right around and play Wu-Tang. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, when I first started making beats, you could almost hear the East Coast flow, and then you could hear the down south element along with it. But I'm gonna get to my point. A lot of people, not even like, even back then, and even when people started wanting my beats, up until now, people would approach me or hit me up and say, hey, I need a beat. I'm like, all right, cool. And I had people requesting beats, which is cool. I have no problem with people requesting beats. But what I mean by requesting is more or less like, hey, I want a beat that has like Mike Will made it drums with a DJ Mustard hi-hats and Pharrell melodies. Okay, you know what I'm saying? So it's like a challenge for me, because what I've always said this: you would never ever go to Pharrell and ask for a Dr. Dre beat. You know what I'm saying? So what my point is, this is not for people that have like car review videos, because pretty much I know what sound you're looking for, because my beats just fit your videos. You know what I'm saying? It just gives it that element, but it's cool. That's okay with me. I found my lane with that. But this is more or less for rappers, singers, or whatever that you know, hit me up and want beats for their project or whatever they're working on, and then they give me these stipulations like, hey, I want a beat that does this and does this, and that's cool. I'm okay with that. But for me, I feel like I've been making beats for so long, and if you know me, and even if you don't know me, you've heard my catalog, you've heard my products, you know, what I can come up with, you've heard it. So if you know Shaka's sound, I don't understand how people can approach me and expect me to create something that's not my sound. Like, no matter how hard I try, like if somebody says, hey, I want a Dr. Dre beat, I may come very close to giving you a Dr. Dre beat, but it will be Shaka's beat. You know what I'm saying? I hope people that make beats and stuff, man, that's pretty much what I can give you. That's like asking a boxer, an amateur boxer that's aggressive and hungry, hey, I want you to fight like Mike Tyson. That boxer may then come at you aggressive and hardcore and have a strong left like Tyson did, but they're not Mike Tyson. They are themselves. So that's just what it is. I just felt like I had to put it out, and like I said, it's not for people, you know, all my boys, you know what I'm saying, that for the car review videos, because everybody that does the workout videos and use my beats, car review videos that use my beats, I pretty much approach you about it. You know what I'm saying? I threw my beats to you because you can't go wrong with putting a beat on a car review video or a workout video. But if it's people that's coming to me saying, hey, I want a beat that sounds like this, it does that, it flips around and does this and twirls around. I'm just a dude. This is my hobby. You know what I'm saying? I do this in my spare time. You know what I mean? Like, this is just, working on music is just something that I do. And it's more or less the artist. And I stopped chasing the artists. I learned my lesson with that. I'm done with hounding down artists. Like, hey man, I got beats. If you're working on a project, hit me up. I got beats for you. I'm not doing that anymore. I'm definitely not gonna do that anymore because there are people that I'll give beats to and I won't hear. I still got folders. I have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of folders of beats that people, yeah, I'm not gonna say bug me, but they hit me up wanting beats. I want beats from you. And if you know me, you know how I do. You won't get one beat, you'll get 50 beats. You know what I'm saying? That's all for you. And then year 3, 4, 5 years later, they never used it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not doing that anymore. Like, I'm not doing that shit anymore for real. So I just kind of hit my breaking point. I'm actually giving you guys the PG-13 version of it because I was a little pissed. I was a lot more pissed earlier. Oh shit. I was a lot. This fucking van swerving and shit. Alright. So I'm giving you guys the watered down version of it, or the gist of my point. And that is, if you're an artist, you're working on music, you're doing your thing, and you hit me up for a beat and you give me a bunch of stipulations, I create something and present it to you, and then in return I get, oh, it's cool, but it didn't do this, it didn't meet my expectations, it didn't do that. I mean, it is what it is. I want to say something else. God damn, I want to say something else, but I'm not gonna say it. My whole thing is, if you know my sound, you know my product, if you know me, you know my music, you know what to expect. If you come to me, you better off just say, Shaka, I need a beat, and just leave it at that. Plain and simple. Shaka, I need a beat. Cool, I got you. You know what I mean? But if it comes with, I want the beat to twirl and flip and spin and knock and change at the end and flip reverse, I want the drums to roll at the end. Yo, I'm not an all-in-one engineer. I'm just a guy that likes music, and I just so happen to create my own through Fruity Loops. You know what I'm saying? I'm not an engineer. I'm not a mix and master professional. I didn't go to Full Sail University. You know what I'm saying? Do I know sheet music? Yes, I do. I do know sheet music. But it's like, what the hell is going on with these people today? The weather breaks and they get freaking retarded. All right, so anyway, yeah, I do know sheet music, but I know bass clef music. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know treble clef. So basically, like piano, sheet music for pianos and like clarinets, violins, or basically say string instruments. But for brass instruments, I do know sheet music. I do not know the notes on the keyboard. I just know sounds. I just have an ear. You know what I'm saying? I can imitate sound. But anyway, that's all I got. That's just my vent for this Sunday. Is that shouts out to everybody that's rolling with your boy, that say, Shaka, I need a beat, and I'll hook you up, and you give me a thumbs up, cool. But the ones that come at me and give me a grocery list of what they want a beat to do and flip around, I come up with what I think you want to hear, and it doesn't meet your expectations, and then you tell me it doesn't meet your expectations. Well, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you, but I'm done with that. I'm done with that, bro. Like, I'm all the way done. just all the way done. I hit my ceiling on it. I hit the roof. You know what I'm saying? I'm done with that crap. And yeah. So I'm still working on that giveaway. I haven't come up with an idea yet, but you guys stay tuned. I got more content on the way. I got a few things coming up, man, and y'all just keep rocking with me. And also, if you haven't already, please check out my other page, my other channel, I should say. It's Shaka on the Beats. It's like the title of the page is Shaka on the Beats. I only have a couple of beats up there, but I'm in the process of uploading more beats to that page. I got some beats that I had made for RT Life and MDG Collections and Brew Motor Productions and a Black Scat Pack, FP 2000, Hemi FLA, man, I think E-Unit. Did I give E-Unit beats? I can't remember if I gave E-Unit beats or not. Uzumaki, I think he goes by Uzumaki. I can't remember, but I got more content coming. But stay tuned, and if you haven't, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.